Email marketing holds immense profitability, but success is more than mere luck or chance. To truly excel, you must master techniques for crafting effective emails and timing your outreach. The fundamental step is maintaining a clean, validated email list. Let's unlock its secrets together. Imagine if an API could help eliminate bad email addresses before they compromise your efforts. An email verification API automatically confirms address authenticity in real time through seamless API calls. This technology identifies issues like syntax errors, misspellings, and disposable email addresses with ease. It not only catches typos but also verifies the domain's validity to ensure email deliverability. Utilizing an email verification API results in better engagement and a significant decrease in spam risks. Email marketers labor tirelessly to build extensive lists from various sources, but are they accurate? Without verification, a significant number of invalid emails could cripple your marketing strategies. Sending campaigns to invalid addresses means wasted resources, as your efforts may never reach real prospects. Imagine reducing bounce rates while improving your sender reputation with a simple integration. The right verification tool ensures your messages hit the inboxes of genuine recipients only. With enhanced deliverability rates, your interactions with potential customers become much more impactful. Frequent bounces can taint your reputation. A robust validation API helps maintain that valuable sender score. What's more, the time spent managing a faulty email list could be redirected toward productive tasks. Now, let's explore the best email verification services available to safeguard your reputation. Bouncer offers real-time email validation, trusted by businesses focused on deliverability and data quality. With over 99% accuracy and a competitive starting price, Bouncer is ideal for various users. Mailbox Layer provides a developer-friendly API, excelling in fast and efficient email validation solutions. You'll appreciate its syntax checks and SMTP verification, all packaged neatly in JSON responses. The Email Hippo API ensures real-time validations, catching problematic emails to safeguard your interactions. ZeroBounce targets invalid and disposable addresses effectively, protecting your reputation and reducing bounces. Each tool promises unique features but all share a common goal: enhancing your email performance. Kickbox simplifies detecting errors right when users input their email addresses to prevent issues. Every email check-through's Verify comes with features designed to flag temporary accounts or fraud. If you're seeking a comprehensive solution, NeverBounce keeps contact lists clean and data accurate. For robust security, Twilio SendGrid combines smart validation with impressive scalability for mailing campaigns. Quick Email Verification offers extensive verification across multiple platforms, ensuring your databases remain pristine. Emailable stands out with a quality scoring system, perfect for marketers looking to improve deliverability. As we examine these powerful tools, your insights into verifying emails become clearer and more actionable. Choose wisely from our recommendations to elevate your email marketing game and see real results.